product internal equipment of tunnel oven is finished, and we also installed it before delivering it. We would like to introduce some tools to you. For this core equipment, the machine size is 28 by 2.25 by 2.3 meter. This is a long equipment, so when this equipment delivery, we will separate the sections to delivery. And for the length of each section is the length of number 1 and number 2 section is 3 meters. The number 3 and the number 4 section is 2 meters. And other sections the length is 3 meters. So when you receive machines, please check the length of each section. And the machine weight is 21,380 kilograms. For 1 meter, the weight is 705 to 820 kilograms. So when you install these machines, please check the weight of each section. For example, the number one section is now 3 meters. It means the total weight of number 1 section is 3 by 750 or 3 by 820 kilograms. And the gas inlet is 2 inch. The pressure of the gas inlet is 0.15 MPa. It is the maximum. Please see the to this. And the general blower is standard for 3.7 kilowatts. The pressure of the is 7.5 to 8 MPa. For now, this is the main details of the tunnel oven.
In front of the inlet device, you can see there's only few of the conveyor roller, and here is a belt to deliver the baking pan into the tunnel oven. So you can see it's still a little different. Same with the inlet device, they have the regulator to make the double pans go inside together and inline. And you can see there is a chimney to just discharge the gas outside, to discharge the wasted gas out of the oven. And here there is a handle. Just open or close the chimney. So you can adjust the opening size by this handle. And maybe somebody is asking what kind of this device. This is a lubricant oil tank. So you know the conveyor chains, they need the lubricant to make them move smoothly. So this machine also have the lubricant device. But when you use lubricant lube oil, just once you just stop the production. After the tunnel stops, then temperature lowering down around 100 degree. So you can open the lubricant device. They will spray the oil to the conveyor chains to make it move smoothly. And after the temperature lowering drop down to 100 degrees, so you can stop the belt conveyor. Hello, this is Michael. So as you know, this whole tunnel oven has 3 parts. One part is the inlet device, and the middle part is the tunnel oven, baking area. So the third part is the outlet device. Now I'm standing at the outlet device. So the outlet device looks similar with the inlet device. The length all the same as 1 meter, but there is a small difference. The outlet parts have several conveyor rollers, and on this part you can see there is a handle. It's a handle just by stirring to control the window door. Why we call it a window door? Actually, it's a plate to isolate the cold wind from the warm tunnel. You know, the temperature is very important for the baking oven. So by this one, you can open or close the door to prevent the cold wind go inside the tunnel. But the height and the height can be controlled, depends on your size of the cake. For example, you are baking the height, the big cake, like the height is bigger, so you can lift up the gate. And if you want the small, if you baking the small cake, it's very thin, so you can lower down the wind gate in order to save energy and keep the warm. And you can see this is the regulator. This regulator just by adjusting the distance to keep the baking plate in line. You know, after the cake coming out from the oven, so normally the double pans. So once they coming out with the regulator, so the two pans can still keep in the same line, so that they can go into the next conveyor together and in line. So for your convenience. Hello, my friend. Now I'm standing in the back side of the baking oven. So it's the back side. But why I want to introduce this part to you? Because here is gas inlet main pipe. So the gas will connecting from your factory with one reducing valve, then going into this main pipe. Here is a filter to filtering the waste, some dust from the gas pipe, then going to the control valve. And here is a regulating, adjusting pressure adjusting valve. And after that is a solenoid valve. It's made from Honeywell. Yes. And also very important thing that your inlet gas pressure from your factory must be lower than 0.15 megapascal, not more than that pressure. Otherwise, you have to make the reducing valve to reduce the pressure again. Hello, my friend. Now I'm standing in front of the baking area. So you can see there is a difference from the back side and the front side. So you can see in the front side they have some holes. The back side there is no holes. But this is not a point. I want to just continually to introduce the gas pipes. You can see from the main pipe, they are going to the sub pipes. The yellow one still the gas pipe, and you know from the sub pipes will deliver the gas to each burning section. And you can see the blue color pipe is the air pipe. So now I'll let Jess to introduce the regulations for the gas pressure and the air pressure.
For this gas, the pressure range is 2 to 6 kPa. Please do not max than 6 kPa. And for this blue air, the pressure range is 7.5 to 8 kPa. So please do not less than 7.5 kPa.
Yes. This is a very, very important thing. Please remember, my dear customer. So for for the gas, the pressure should not higher than the limitation. Do not higher than the limitation. So for the air, do not less than the regulation. Please remember.
Hello, so now I'm starting a pipe earlier to introduce the details of so many pipes. Just now, Michael introduced two pipes. The yellow one is for gas and the blue one is for air. For the yellow one, it's connected with the fire pipe. For now, it is the number 44 fire pipe. When machine connects with the gas will follow this pipe to this handle. This handle to adjust the fire, big or small. And in this part, in this pipe, to go to another handle. In this handle, it is also to adjust the fire, but the difference is this handle to adjust the exact fire. For example, if the fire is very big, after adjust by this handle, if you want to adjust the exact fire, so adjust this handle to change the fire like this. And the blue pipe is connected with the black pipe, then connected with the fire pipe. This switch is adjust the air. And in here, there is this black box is automatic fire controller. It also have two lines. The red one is to fire in the fire, and the black one is induction of the fire. In this part, here is observer can check the fire and product. And next to the observer, here is a LED lamp. When this lamp light, you can check the fire by this observer. And each of this LED lamp have a lamp switch in here. And this area is the same. This area. The yellow pipe is for gas. The blue pipe is for air. It's the same with this part.
Hello, my friend. Now I'm standing in front of the main control system. So you can see the forward cabinet is the main control system. Firstly, I will introduce the security control system. It's in the baking area. We have several sensors to detect the gas leakage. So this machine is a gas leakage detective machine. So if the sensor gets the leakage from the baking area, so it will give the alarm and cut off the gas supplying. So once you hear the alarm, should be immediately cut off the main gas inlet valve. So just turn off the main gas valve. And this control cabinet just control different heating area. You know, we divided the baking oven into three main heating area. So each switch control the baking area for the turn on the fire. So for example, that's 1, 2. There's 1, 2 just reflects this baking area 1 and 2, and you can see This is the thermal control. This is the thermal control devices. This we divided into three areas. This is the area 1. This one means area 1 upper fire. And this one means area 1 bottom fire. This is area 2. This is area 2. This is area 3. On the top is upper fire. This is the bottom. This is bottom 3. It controls the temperature of the bottom fire. So you can use the button to control the temperature of the upper fire or the bottom fire, to control the upper temperature or the bottom temperature of each area. And also you can control each area's temperature by the central PLC control system. It's a touch screen. By the touch screen, you also can control the temperature of each area. So once you change the temperature here, so reflects in this device, it also reflects. For example, you change it to 200 degrees in the zone area 1. So in area 1, this display also change to 200. So it's interaction. Now here is the fire switch control system. We divided the baking area by 3 areas, but the fire system is a 6 fire system, which means, for example, in the area 1 have the 2 fire systems, the upper fire system and bottom fire system. So you can multiply 3. That means 6 fire systems. So this 6 buttons controls the 6 fire system. This one, this button 1, that means it's control the area 1 upper fire system. This 2 controls the area 1 bottom fire system. So on the 3, 4, 5, 6. So only you open the switch here, so you can turn on the fire in the area 1 upper fire. So there is another switch system to control each individual fire system. So now I'm standing in front of the individual fire system control system. So this control box controls the fire system number 6, which means the area 3 bottom fire. So the main switch is here. This one. This is the main switch. Only you open the main switch here. So once you open the individual fire pipe, so the fire will light on. So you can see there is some number. Mark the number 46, 47, 48. This means the number 46, number 47, the fire pipe. So I'll show you. We marked the fire pipe here. So this is the number 46 fire pipe, and here is the number bottom. This is the bottom fire pipe. Is the number 53 here in the bottom fire system 53. So if you open the switch, the main control switch here, so then you can open the fire number 53 pipe by turning on the switch. So the fire will light on. The full system will operate by 2 kind of the methods. One is you can control from the PLC screen. but which is not very convenient for the daily production. And the other way is that operated by manually, and manually to turn on the fire, heating cable, heating tube, which means turn on the fire. And also you can use a thermometer to change the temperature for each zone. And also you can operate on the PLC screen. And for the PLC screen, now is for our convenience. We set in Chinese. If you want to change to English, you can see here there is a button, and press on. About 10 seconds, it will automatically change to English. You can see now it is English. If you want change it back in Chinese, so on the right above, right above the button, press 10 seconds again, so it will change back to Chinese. And in the full system, so you can set the light. You can turn on the light, and all start by press one button. The same button is here by menu. It's one button start. This is the lamp for the monitoring window, the light. If you want to open the light, and just press this button, or you can press the button here. And the light we set about 1,000 seconds. If you want to extend the lighting time, so you can set from here. And firstly, you have to input the initial password. The initial password is 1111 111. Okay, and log in. So you can change it. You can see that it's jumped into the setting page. So you can see the lights. The lubrication time is 1,000 seconds, and the light is 1,000 seconds. You can change them by your convenience. Log in, so you can see here. Wait for the ignition on time. So we set is 900, but please do not change it because 900 seconds is according to our experience. Only the enough blowing time, so the air is sufficient in the tunnel. So there is no wasted gas for the security consideration. So that's why we want to emphasize this point, because sometimes you are wondering why I start the button, but the fire is not turned on, because firstly you have to waiting 900 seconds, and after the security air is enough, so the system will turn on the gas on time. Also, you can set the temperature. You can see the temperature here. The display is same match the thermometer here. So you can set from by the PLC here, or you also can set from here by press the buttons. Hi my friend, now the tunnel oven line assembled ready, so should be connected to the main power. Now we are connected to the temporary main cable. It's our temporary main cable, power cable, to connect the machine in our factory. So you can see the three phrases. But one point very important, that the three cable should be in the same direction, in the same sequence. Otherwise, the ventilation fan will running reverse towards the reverse side. So it should be if in the right sequence, it will in the positive forward direction. So if the cable connect is right, so the ventilation fan will running forwarding, and so the air meter will shows about 8 k pascal, about 8 k pascal. So this is the main point. So then, after you connect to the main power cable should be connected to the cabinet switch in the main, connect to the main switch. But now this is only our temporary cable. So your electrician will connect the main power in your factory in the right place behind the switch. So once you connect to the power, so the full system you can operate.
For this whole equipment, it is very long. So when we deliver it, we will separate 10 actions to deliver it. So when you receive all whole machines, you totally will receive 10 sections tunnel oven. But when you receive it, how to connect with them together? So when machine leave the factory, we will remark number on the machine to teach you how to connect. For example, I'm sending the number 9 section. This is number 9 section tunnel oven. This is the number 10 tunnel oven. In here is a number 9 to 9 on the section 9, and here is also number 9 to 9 on the section 10. It means the section 9 need to connect with the section 10 like this. And in here it also a number 9 to 9. And on the section 10, it also a number 9 to 9. It is the same number in here.
Each number should be matched together, so you can connect the right section to each other.
Yes. And for example, if the section 8 connect with the section 9 on the section 8, it will be number 8 to 8 on the section 8 and the section 9 like this.
票，这个拿着很重要的，就在到时候就是在做这个面积，那就
当的我要看。
好，谢谢。要不要拍一下？
不用不用，我刚一拍了。我拍一下。
拍拍。